Welcome back to my CryptoQ Media channel. It's great to have you back. An intriguing development is taking place regarding XRP and trading. On top of that, AI has predicted a significant shift happening in the next 30 days. That cost and a side-by-side comparison are what you'll find in this video. You won't want to miss a thing. Watch the channel daily and weekly for your XRP update. With being said, I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Start this one off by making sure your notification bell is on high alert. My preferred method of entry is the oil-weighted financing rate. In terms of trade volume, this metric tracks the amount of money flowing into and out of XRP. Whatever does it mean that we perceive recently, there has been a rising trend in the trading volume for XRP. Even in the last 3 hours, there has been a clear trend away from Bitcoin. It actually fell 1.5% before surging to almost 64,000 right now, during testing. Although XRP won't see the same degree of volatility, I am still highly interested in this. Investors will soon start buying and selling on the market. More and more people are looking at XRP as a possible investment asset, and that shows in its rising trade volume. Even more importantly, when looking at exchange outflows, XRP is also doing well. What conclusions can we draw from this? Exchange participants are adding and removing themselves at a rapid pace. When they stake out their positions, they do so with an eye on the future. That is, if we both think Bitcoin's value is likely to skyrocket. If the recent surge to an all-time high in early 2025 holds, this would be a great opportunity to buy XRP in bulk. Also, the 7th of October is coming up quickly. Since investors and traders have been sitting on their hands until the SEC concludes before getting engaged, this could boost market activity. I believe it's a critical measure because, more critically, we are now seeing people embrace those positions within XRP. In light of what we've seen, what does it imply for pricing predictions? Just so you know, my current take on AI is really interesting, right? Fortunately, AI has provided a price prediction. The moment has come for me to inform you of this. Please hear me out. I do not pretend to be a financial advisor. A number of technical analysis indicators, including as the moving average, Bollinger Bands, divergence, convergence, and relative strength index RSI, seem to be incorporated into this AI model. Has someone told us that this man is actually here and doing something? In such case, we should fire him. Optimism suggests that XRP might reach 60 cents in the next 24 hours, 65 cents by the end of the week, and 72 cents in the next 30 days. Obviously, this would put us far into the middle of the month of October, a time that has historically been favorable for Bitcoin, and beyond October 7th, it stands to reason that XRP, along with the other altcoin metrics, would rise in price when Bitcoin does. This is why a lot of people think XRP is going to do something major soon. Be that as it may, I am well aware that all cryptocurrency holders, XRP holders included, are excited about the impending head-to-head. For the simple reason that this may be the defining moment that ushers in a new era. And you could think it's huge. It must be a monumental event. Finally, the showdown between John Deaton and Elizabeth Warren has arrived. I can't even begin to describe how this one will captivate everyone. Do not involve Trump or Harris. It has already aroused my curiosity. John Deaton is obviously pro-crypto, has supported XRP holders and will continue to do so, and has gone on record as saying he will endorse the next elected president. Elizabeth Warren, on the other hand, is plainly on the side of the crypto out crew. Trump will ultimately support Gary Gensler, despite the fact that he has already made his stance on Gensler clear. It might be extremely ridiculous to match John Deaton against Elizabeth Warren. In my view, cryptocurrency would most certainly come into being. Will this provide XRP even more momentum? Could XRP really make me a millionaire? May be the question on your mind after you've read all that. You need to make sure you have enough control. Presumably, everyone is bragging about their 500 XRP holdings now. I really doubt that you will amass a fortune anytime soon, but I suppose that all things are relative. There is no assurance that you will be able to hold X amount of XRP, up to $1 million. If you think XRP's value will go up, please let us know. In your opinion, is there a need on a global scale? Looking at Bitcoin ETFs, something we've covered on the channel, will show you that XRP has the support of both physical stores and banks. The number of banks with a holding in Bitcoin ETFs is at 17. Please roll this up. Would you be open to the idea of an XRP ETF or Grayscale Trust with 3.5 million in hand? It's not out of the question that this could come to fruition. You should think about the chance that XRP becomes an ETF. Pretend for a second that financial institutions are keen on getting involved. Out of nowhere, you're swept up in a vortex of concepts. Does XRP have what it takes to hit a significant price point? Think about the fact that XRP might be worth 10, 20, or even 100. If that's the situation, then I'm in. That is quite interesting. Holding that much XRP will not make you a millionaire. My overall opinion on XRP is very positive, as I've already indicated. Long periods of time have elapsed. There is a demonstration of strength. For this breakout, this downward trending trend line with an upward slant, we are monitoring the market movement closely. See if you can locate it. Presently, there is a nice small upsurge in the trend. We need to start retesting this. In my opinion, controversy is inevitable when dealing with XRP. This will continue until October 7th, as indicated on the calendar. Keep in mind that in 30 days, there is a possibility of a retest at 62, and if all goes according to plan, 70. This trend is therefore expected to persist. Is it realistic to assume that it will be here by the middle of October, when that was scheduled? The proposal is entirely feasible and within the scope of possibilities, though it is ambitious. We truly value having you here today. For the time being, I ask that you subscribe and favorite my channel.